My family lives in the DRC. It's a very sad fact that our country has the third highest death rate among children under the age of 5, mostly due to the main killer diseases: malaria, diarrheal diseases, and acute respiratory infections. These can be stopped by providing simple services. Unfortunately, in the DRC, even the most basic medical supplies are out of reach for most people, and getting to a health center can be difficult and costly. Even if they can, these facilities are overstretched and undersupplied. In 2013, government launched a plan of action to deal with these challenges. The ambitious program sought practical and cost-effective ways to better basic health care for families. One of the innovative ways that this is being achieved is through the distribution of family kits aimed at providing pregnant mothers and young children with the supplies they need to stay healthy and protected. In 2015, these kits were rolled out in 10 provinces, reaching just about 718,000 out of 8 million children under 5. And just over 158,000 out of 1.4 million mothers. With support from development partners like the European Union, even more kits are being rolled out across the country. There's still a long way to go, but thanks to these simple measures, fewer children are dying of preventable illnesses and more pregnant mothers are staying healthy. At only $1 per family kit distributed, that's a pretty low price tag to save a life.